Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the bonus video, part 5 of the series of videos, and we'll be doing the projection symbol for today's video. So we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. Alright, so I'm gonna move this out and then put or we can put it on right here. So we're gonna go linear measurement. I'm gonna put it on here. There to there. That's 40. All right. So perceive. All right, we're gonna shift it a little bit from the margin to give it some space. All right. So we have the height here, 10, 10, 50. We need the total height. So we're gonna go linear measurement from here to there. That's 20. From linear measurement again, from here, turn on snap to this point, that's 10. All right, so we can actually put a dimension inside here. So we can go there to there, that is 30. We're gonna turn off this snap, that's 30. And then we need, all right, that will be 20. So we need this measurement here, which is 20, which we have already. So from there to there, that's 20. All right, we're gonna move down the word end elevation down. So we're gonna click the two labels here, enter. All right, so that is 20 there, 10 there. You need to put on the height. So we're gonna go linear measurement. We already have this measurement is 50. We're gonna move it from here. It looks a little bit clustered there. So we're gonna move this 50 and put it on the outside, okay? So I'm going to delete it, all right? So we're gonna delete it. I'm gonna put it on the outside. It's a little bit clustered, all right? So we're gonna linear measurement from here to there, you'll get 50. Gonna measure the next linear measurement from there to there, and that's 70. All right, so the total height is 70. The total width is 70 also, and the total length would be 60 centimeters because you have 20 and 20 and 20. 20 and 20 is 40. 40 and 20 is 60. All right, so we have all the dimensions that you would need, okay? All right, the next thing, so we have completed drawing the third angle projection of the given drawing. Now, if you want to draw the third angle symbol, this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to draw the third angle symbol. All right, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to draw the front elevation for the symbol. So we're going to draw a center line. So we're going to go to center, center line, and we're going to draw a center line, okay? So we're going to draw the center line right here. All right, enter. Now the next thing we're going to draw is the front elevation, right? So we're going to go back to our construction tool, and we're going to draw a vertical line right here. All right, enter. Now this measurement, right? Let us measure it. So we're going to go to dimension. Uh, we're going to make a new layer called dim2. All right, so we're going to go layer properties manager, and we're going to make a new layer, and we're going to call it dim2. All right, good. Now we're going to make it current by selecting dim2 here. So we're going to measure this measurement. All right, so we're going to go there. With, when we're finished drawing with the measurement over here, this is 40. All right. So we have drawn this line 40 millimeters. What we want, I'm going to draw another line, a construction line going across, which is 40 millimeters. So we come here and we come across 40 millimeters, the same distance that we made there. Draw a line. I'm going to turn on ortho. I'm going to draw a line from the end of this 40 going up 10 millimeters. Then enter. We're going to do the same thing below. So we're going to go line 10 millimeters, enter. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line from this point. We can turn off ortho so we can clearly see the line there. Enter. We're going to draw another line from this point to this point. And this will be the first part for the symbol. All right. Now we're gonna turn off the dim 2. We don't need that measurement, okay? We're gonna move the diagram up somewhere. So we're gonna move this, enter. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna move it up closer. All right, enter. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're going to measure a line 50 millimeters from here coming over this way. So we need 50 millimeters, enter. And what we need is a line, we need is a center line there. So we're gonna go center. I'm gonna come from the end of this 50 millimeter line. So we're gonna go there, enter, enter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna project lines over. So we're gonna go to our center layer construction tool, and we're gonna draw construction lines coming over to there, enter, there, enter, enter, there, enter, there, enter. All right, what I want to do, because those are construction lines, I want to darken up the finished product for you over here. So we're going to go to outline, and we're going to draw a line over it so you can better follow what I'm doing, right? So this, that is the first symbol for the first part of the symbol for the third angle projection symbol, all right? The next part is to draw two circles. So we're going to go circle, will be this radius, enter. We're going to go circle again, this radius, enter. And this would be the symbol for the third angle projection, right? So what we can do now, we can click this line that we use as construction and delete it. This one too, this one, we can delete it, right? All right, so we can make this line shorter. So we click on it, right? All right, this line we can delete it, right? So here's our center line. Now we're going to extend it a little bit beyond here, right? And we're also going to extend this one a little bit beyond there, right? So let us click and see what's the property. Yes, a center line, right? So We're gonna turn off the construction layer 2. Right, and there is the projection symbol if you want to draw it on your drawing, right? So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we showed you how to put on the dimensions, and also if you want to show the third angle symbols, if you're going an exam and it is required, it is specified that you must show the symbol that you drew the drawing in. This is the third angle symbol. All right. So in the next video, I'll be doing first angle projection, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So we have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we drew the projection symbol for the third angle projection drawing. We thank you for joining us. And in the next video, we're looking at quadrilateral. So we look forward to seeing you in that video. Thanks for watching the video. Until we meet again. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.